Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the part 14 for important notes for biochemistry so that you can easily able to answer the one-liners and the MCQs in your exam. First of all, the uronic acid pathway is also a minor pathway for oxidation of glucose. Uronic acid pathway synthesizes basically three main structures, that is glucuronic acid, pentosis and vitamin C. Humans cannot synthesize vitamin C due to deficiency of an enzyme named as L-gulonolactone oxidase. Glucuronate is incorporated into proteoglycans and it acts as conjugating agent. Essential pentosuria occurs due to deficiency of xylitol dehydrogenase or reductase. Essential pentosuria can also occur after consumption of large amount of fruits that are rich in pentoses. L-xylulose appears in the urine in essential pentosuria, which gives positive Benedict's test, but glucose oxidase strip test is negative over here. Now what includes in the Garrot's tetrad? So remember, pentosuria, albinism, alkaptonuria and cystinuria are included in the Garrot's tetrad. Galactose metabolism, fructose metabolism and gluconeogenesis uses the enzymes of glycolysis so that energy is not wasted to make different enzymes for many pathways occurring in the cell. Source of galactose is lactose. Galactose is also obtained by lysosomal degeneration of the glycoproteins and glycolipids. Galactose metabolism occurs exclusively in the liver. Galactose metabolism occurs basically in three steps. That is, first of all, phosphorylation. Okay. Then synthesis of the UDP galactose. Okay. And conversion of UDP galactose to UDP glucose. Galactokinase is responsible for the conversion of the galactose to galactose 1-phosphate. GALT, that means the galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase. Now this GALT, this enzyme converts the galactose 1-phosphate to UDP galactose. Which enzyme? Galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase. Conversion of UDP galactose to UDP glucose is catalyzed by enzyme epimerase, or we can say UDP galactose 4 epimerase or UDP hexose 4 epimerase. Now this reaction is reversible. UDP galactose can be used for synthesis of glycolipids, glycoproteins, glycosaminoglycans and lactose. Deficiency of galactokinase. Deficiency of this particular galactokinase is known as minor type galactosemia. Excess galactose, it gets converted to galactitol or dalkitol by enzyme aldose reductase. Galactitol is hygroscopic in nature and in excess it causes oil drop cataract. Deficiency of GALT, that means galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase, is known as classical type galactosemia. In this, excess galactose 1-phosphate accumulates in the liver and the brain, leading to jaundice and mental retardation. Also, oil drop cataract occurs. Confirmatory diagnosis for GALT, or we can say galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase, is direct enzyme assay using the erythrocytes. Lactose synthesis in the mammary glands occurs in the Golgi body by enzyme lactosynthase, which actually transfers galactose from UDP galactose to glucose. So today up till here, we'll discuss about the further important notes in our next video. Thank you so much.